This video provides a rapid, 2-minute walkthrough of Uni-Measurement Hub manual mode. The showcase begins with a high-resolution SEM image of a contact array. Before any measurement occurs, the user must optimize the image. They first explore the local denoise settings, a critical step to strip away native SEM background noise without destroying feature integrity. Combined with edge image quality, EIQ algorithms like discrete Gaussian and gradient magnitude, the user smooths the image and sharply defines the contact edges, creating the perfect foundation for AI analysis. Full auto-segmentation. With the image conditioned, the user clicks Run Segment without defining a specific region. The system instantly executes a full auto-segmentation routine. Bounding boxes and color masks appear over every detected contact, and the right-hand panel immediately populates with morphological metrics, including area, perimeter, aspect ratio, and compactness, for dozens of features simultaneously. Visualization and analytics. Finally, the user dives into the analytics dashboard. The 3D tab renders an interactive topographical surface profile of the selected segment that dynamically updates as new rows are clicked. Switching to the Graphics tab, they instantly generate histograms, box plots, and trend lines, seamlessly toggling between variables like area and compactness to analyze data visually without ever needing an export. Guided SAM extraction. To isolate specific targets, the user clears the canvas and utilizes the Guided Segment Anything model, SAM. They draw a bounding box around two specific contacts. By placing green positive point markers inside the targets and red negative markers on the surrounding background, they steer the AI. Clicking Run Segment perfectly isolates just those two prompted features, instantly filtering the data table.